Hate to nag, but who's gonna oversee the rooster's installation?
You'd be surprised what people will tell you for a cookie.
Oh, so now you care about what I want.
You know, just trying not to set off the 3,000 traps down here.
She's right, Dad. Okay, with all due respect, I'm the alchemist.
One of my alchemical solutions. I think everyone at the expo will be impressed. My own design, thank you.
Thank you, I'll start again.
Don't touch that.
God, don't touch that! And do not touch anything.
I suppose it's just as likely the amber shatters Rapunzel. Didn't you steal from, dozens of people?
Me? Oh,
No, not really. No.
no, well, no, but...
Oh, do you honestly expect me to be concerned about the welfare of Corona?
Nobody in their right mind would climb...
Race you to the top!
Oh, come on.